guys, Kyla here and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see here guys, dalawang phone ang hawak ko dito. So that only means that we will be doing a comparison video of the OPPO A3 versus the OPPO A3x. So nakaraan guys, gumawa ako ng unboxing and also a full review of the OPPO A3 and the OPPO A3x. And now for this video guys, we will be doing a comparison video of the OPPO A3 and the OPPO A3x. So wag na natin patagalin guys and let us start the video. So unang-una guys ay ang kanyang design. So bago tayo mag-proceed guys, I would like to inform you ng OPPO A3 and OPPO A3x ay mayroong magkakaibang colors na ino-offer. Now let us talk about the design of the OPPO A3. So for its design guys, it has three colors, which is the starry purple, starlight white, and also sparkle black. At kapag naman sa OPPO A3x guys, ang colors na meron dito ay ang ocean blue na kung saan hawak-hawak ko dito, and also the nebula red. So sa kanyang designs guys, magkakaiba sila. So as you can see here guys, this is the starry purple. We have a more metallic and a more shiny and sparkly design. At kapag naman sa OPPO A3x ocean blue color, we have a more ocean-like design with glitters. So other than that guys, yung kanyang camera design ay same lang siya. Dito ay may dalawang camera at dito rin ay may dalawang camera with the flashes on it. At syempre hindi mawawala ang OPPO logo. At para dito sa kanyang right side guys, makikita natin dito sa dalawa na to ang kanyang power buttons and also the volume buttons. Kapag naman sa left side, dito natin makikita rin both ang kanyang SIM port. So for the bottom guys, we have here the audio jack, speakers, and the Type-C port. So for OPPO A3 and OPPO A3x guys, they both have a military grade shock. So to give you a little information guys, dito sa military grade shock natin guys, ito ay isang durability test including the shock and drop resistance test. So dahil itong dalawa nga na ito ay merong military grade shock resistance guys, ito ay napakatibay kahit mahulog mo po ito ng ilang beses. So para sa kanilang thickness guys, they both have a 7.68 millimeters. At para sa kanyang bigat guys, they both have a 186 grams of weight. So itong OPPO A3 and OPPO A3x guys, same lang din sila na mayroong dual SIM. So overall guys, when it comes to the design, they only differ to the appearance. Kasi as you can see nga guys, yung camera placement nila ay same, yung kanilang mga power buttons ay the same, and also they both have a military grade shock resistance. They also both have the same weight and thickness. So para sa kanyang display guys, they both have a 90 Hz refresh rate, and also they both have a 6.67 LCD screen display. At para sa kanyang resolution guys, they also both have the same resolution. They have a resolution of 1604 by 720 HD plus resolution. For the speaker guys, same din sila na mayroong 300% extra volume. And now let's proceed with the performance of the OPPO A3 and OPPO A3x. So para naman sa kanilang processor guys, they both have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6S 4G Gen 1. And finally guys, dito na rin sila nagkakaiba sa kanyang storage. So dito sa OPPO A3 guys, ang kanyang available storage ay ang 8GB RAM with 256GB of ROM, and also the 6GB RAM with 128GB of ROM. At para sa OPPO A3x guys, ang kanyang available storage ay 4GB of RAM with 64GB of ROM, and also a 4GB of RAM by 128GB of ROM. So kung makapansin nyo guys, dito sa OPPO A3, mas malaki ang kanyang storage compared to the OPPO A3x. Now let us talk about the gaming of the OPPO A3 and OPPO A3x. So itong dalawang phone na to guys, hindi sila built as a gaming phone, but they can keep up with games such as Mobile Legends, PUBG, COD, and other games as well. And now let's proceed with the battery. So para sa kanyang battery guys, they both have a 5,100 mAh battery with 45 watts Super VOOC flash charge. Na kung saan through this 45 watts Super VOOC flash charge guys, you can charge from 0% up to 50% in just 30 minutes. And lastly guys, let us proceed with the camera. So dito guys, nagkakaiba sila sa kanyang camera. So para sa OPPO A3 guys, ang kanyang camera ay meron siyang 50MP ultra clear camera and it also has a 5MP front camera. Pero pagdating naman dito sa OPPO A3x guys, ay nagkakaiba siya sa camera. Dahil dito sa OPPO A3x guys, meron siyang 8MP rear camera and also a 5MP front camera. So comparing these two guys, when it comes to the camera, mas maganda ang OPPO A3 kasi sa OPPO A3, meron siyang 50MP ultra clear camera, while dito sa OPPO A3x guys, meron lang siyang 8MP rear camera. Pero kapag naman sa kanyang front camera guys, both lang sila na mayroong 5MP front camera. And when it comes to the video recording guys, para sa kanyang rear video recording, it can record up to 1080p with 30 frames per second. At kapag naman sa kanyang front video recording camera guys, it can record your videos up to 720p by 30 frames per second. So again, para magkaroon kayo ng better idea about sa kanilang camera guys, I will provide a few pictures for you to see. So between the OPPO A3 and OPPO A3x, saan nga ba sila nagkakaiba? Well, nagkakaiba sila sa kanyang appearances, storage, and also when it comes to the camera. So when it comes to the specs guys, mas maganda ang OPPO A3 compared to the OPPO A3x. So that is all for today's video guys. I really hope na nakatulong itong video sa inyo para malaman nyo kung saan ang mas magandang phone between the OPPO A3 and OPPO A3x. So in order for you guys to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video.